Thanks so much for trusting Joe's Gaming and Electronics with your repair needs. My name is Matt, and today I'm going to be showing you how to ship in your larger electronics such as headphones or Bluetooth speakers. Once you've finished filling out our repair form, we're going to send you an email that has a shipping label attached at the bottom of it. Simply open the shipping label and print it out. For most headphones and speakers, we're going to end up sending you a priority mail, flat rate padded envelope mailing label. The label is prepaid and it will go in an envelope that looks like this. This is the standard priority mail flat rate padded envelope. You do not want to put the label on a priority mail express flat rate padded envelope, as this will charge you about $20 in additional shipping costs. If you do receive a shipping label that says first class mail on it, just make sure that you're aware of the weight limit. If you exceed that weight limit for the package, there will be additional fees incurred when we pick it up. When it comes to shipping a first class mail package, you can use basically any packaging that you want so long as it fits within that weight limit. You cannot use priority mail packaging to package a first class package, so if you do use a priority mail or a priority mail express envelope to ship a first class package, there will be additional fees incurred. Any additional shipping costs that are incurred when the package is shipped out will be charged to us when we actually pick the item up, and those fees will be put onto your final repair cost. If you are unsure about how to properly ship your items in, or you're concerned that you may be charged additional fees, what we would always recommend doing is having your package scanned in at the post office. You'll receive your tracking number and have peace of mind that the package is in someone's hands and that it's going to be delivered. If you simply leave the package on your front doorstep, or you just drop it off in a drop box, you're not getting a tracking number for the package and you're simply hoping that it's going to get scanned in by somebody at the postal service. Most of the time that will occur, but we have experienced issues where the package never gets scanned in and it potentially could get lost. So we would always recommend that you have that package scanned in by a postal worker when you drop it off at the post office. The postal worker will also tell you if you've packaged it improperly for the shipping label that's provided. This way you'll know if there are any additional costs up front, and you'll either be able to pay them or repackage the item properly. All of the first class labels that we send out do not come with insurance, and the priority shipping labels only come with a standard $50 of insurance. It's extremely rare that items get damaged in shipping, but if you are worried about your electronics and you want a little bit of extra peace of mind, you are welcome to use your own shipping label and ship your items in a box with additional padding. If you do decide to use your own shipping label instead of ours, that's totally fine. You just want to make sure that the name and the address that are on your shipping label are the same as the ones you used when you filled out our repair form. You also want to transfer the service request number from the shipping label that we emailed you to your shipping label. Or you can simply include our shipping label within your package. We would actually prefer that you don't send any accessories in at all and you only send the main item that you're looking to have repaired. If you have any additional questions about packaging your items, feel free to reach out to us. We'll do our best to respond as quickly as possible.